Hey everyone, check out this amazing mini claw machine that brings all the fun of the arcade right into your home. It comes loaded with 20 adorable mini plush toys and features authentic lights and sounds for a real gaming experience. You can even fill it with your own favorite candies or small prizes for endless entertainment. The easy-to-use joysticks and powerful 360-degree claw help kids improve hand-eye coordination while playing. With flexible battery or USB power options, it is safe, durable, and fully portable. It makes the ultimate party gift to brighten up birthdays and holidays for children. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.